Hello, and welcome to the fifth and final part of my restoration of a Mammoth TE1A traction engine, and in this episode we'll be doing the last bits of finishing off and giving it a run. Anyway, here we go. And here, all the wheels, flywheel, main wheels are being done in a caustic method. Be aware if you do this, it's caustic soda in boiling water. Be aware it is a bit dicey. There an SP2 boiler's gone in, which I'll be doing another video on. Just a small restoration. And bear in mind as well, if you use this method on your Mammoth wheels, it will make the Mazak go dark, so you will either have to face the faces on a lathe or sand them so the shine comes back on. Mine as it goes were badly pitted, so they had some rust in them, but I've got round that. I got some tyres for it. Here I've got the wire rotary brush on my scuttle. Every day I'm scuttling. And here we go, turned it around. Left leg in and all that, and do the okie dokie. Then you turn around. I mean, that's what it's all about. And here we go. And it was fairly easy taking paint off, to be honest, and rust. And here I'm cleaning up all the bright steel sort of areas on the wheels, doing the edge on the edge of the bench on a flat edge. And here, this is the flywheel. I'm polishing up the edges with some silver water salt after I'd sanded it. Brought it up nice. And here's a method. If you use PVC insulation tape and pull it a little bit and leave a bit over the edge, it actually stretches when you're masking, and you can go around with a knife as I'm doing here. You can get a perfect edge. It's easy to cut with a scalpel. And here what I'm doing, I'm putting it in some etching primer first, so paint sticks better to it. And once etched, I did it in a lighter primer, because I'm doing them yellow. They need a lighter primer for the pigments in yellow. Ideally I'd have used a pink primer, because pink is really the best colour when you're spraying yellow. But anyway, the yellow I'm using is, I've always liked it, it's Fiat Broom Yellow, named after the broom tree, or broom flower or whatever. And at this point I'm put the wheels back on, and I'm hammering the end caps on, somewhat unsuccessfully. I did get them eventually. I ended up being a bit more brutal than I were there. And at this point I'm putting the front wheels on. Bit more brutal with them as well. And there we are. I'm knocking the cap on there. And here the next wheel's going on. and knocking the cap on that one. In between that one being awkward as well. And here, of course, I forgot to put the spring in. So, as luck would have it, I thought, oh god, how do I get it in now? I don't have to take the caps off. But if you're cunning, you can put it in and feed it underneath, and Bob's your auntie, Fanny's your uncle, and it goes bob on then. Here I'm cleaning all the grime out of the piston with a Q-tip and meths, in between drinking some of it. Goes belting with a bit of lemonade. Mind you, it can't be any worse than gin, can it? And here I'm putting the screw into the flywheel. It's actually a new screw body. Set of new screws as well. And gradually getting in there. Just a bit of a pain. And I'm really liking the colour scheme. I'd have liked it a bit more if the maroon was a bit more red. You live and learn. It's a weaker pigment than I thought it was. So I should have used a lot lighter primer. But you live and learn. I thought maroon were a strong colour. I thought he'd have easily covered a dark primer. How wrong you can be. Still looks nice. Just looks a very deep maroon. Almost to the black side. And here I'm fitting the scuttle. I'm just altering the tabs on the back so it fits a bit better. Then just doing touch-ups of the paint. I've just sprayed a bit in a tin lid. And then use a brush for touching it. I'll need to do a couple once I finish working, because I've still to get it running right. There's like little minor things to do really. All the major stuff's done and I do run it. Here we're going for a running test. I'm just setting it up. Get a bit of the mess. Fill the burner, have a drink. Fantastic stuff. Why have I got 2 traction engines? Here we go. Whoa, oh my god, it's everywhere. Whoa. Fire, call the fire brigade. And here I'm just putting on some lube. Ooh, it is. As it's new, it was quite a bit stiff before I lubed it up. Ooh, can't say that. And here I'm going. I need a can of the Australian Start Your Bastard spray. because it were awkward at starting for its first start up. And it did run, I couldn't get it going in reverse, and it does leak steam at the cylinder, so the minor things to set right now. I tried swapping a cylinder off another TE1A, so I'm sure it's something minor I've done, that it's not sealing. I'm sure it'll be right once I sit down with it for a while. But anyway, here we go, bring on the thunder. And there we go, chug 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 chug. Actually taking the mickey. It's not a bad, smooth little runner. So I'll guarantee I'll get it going in the other direction. In reverse, but runs sweet. Have a bit of a whistle, go on. Go on, you know you want to. Anyway, there it stopped. And started up again. Running lovely again. It's actually a beautifully smooth runner, so I can't see there being a lot up yet. Because it was leaking, at this point it was leaking steam past a badly soldered joint, so I've re-soldered it. When I rebuilt it, it's not working now at all, so there's something and nothing. Something and nothing that's not right, but I'll get it correct. Bit more lube going on there. Getting it bedded in. Anyway, if you've enjoyed watching this lot, please give me a like. If you've not subscribed, why the hell not? And to all my subscribers, thank you very much. Take care out there, and bye for now.